National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Hoosick River at Eagle Bridge from this afternoon until late Monday night. At 8 a.m. Sunday, the stage was 4.2 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Major flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 3 p.m. Sunday and forecast to continue to rise to near 16.4 feet around 2 a.m. Monday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 6 p.m. Monday. Impact at 16.0 feet. Hoosick Falls Water Plant. 5 feet water and picnic area.